And Scott, today is actually National Bobblehead Day, believe it or not. So, I was just curious, what was some of the better bobbleheads you received growing up? I don't know if you got some going to Twins games or, just received them. Any come to your head?
A couple making my way through the journeys of journalism. We've got a Johan Santana from Target Field in Minneapolis. Nice. We've got Ken Griffey Jr. from Safeco Field, now T-Mobile in Seattle. So we have those two. How about yourself?
Very nice. I grew up going to Giants games, Warriors games, Raiders games over in the Bay Area, but I think my favorite one is one of Giants shortstop Brandon Crawford.
Is that your collection?
That is not my collection, unfortunately. As much as I wish it was, as much as I wish I had that much space to put bobbleheads, unfortunately, no, that is not my collection. But yeah, probably a Brandon Crawford bobblehead after he won a Gold Glove. The glove, his mitt on the bobblehead is golden, which is a little unusual for most bobbleheads, but that's probably my favorite. But I have a ton here and back home that are all just waiting to be probably dusted and maybe organized a little bit better.
Well, we're about a month and a half away from spring training to start, so hopefully we can grab ourselves one from the Diamondbacks and the Padres when they start their seasons here in just a couple months.